And here we are for the second box opening of the 2022 Skybox Metal Universe Champions. I just want to show you a card from our previous rip, so you can see the damage on the card itself. This came straight out from a pack, so obviously the quality control isn't great. This is fresh from a pack. A lot of the cards out of these sets, the Metal Universe, do have edge issues, common, like the 90s issues basically. So chipping, edges, damages like that. So this is quite typical of this. What I've realized is quite typical of these cards. So they're never in perfect conditions. I can show you another one here. This is out of a pack. You can see the top edges are just chipped away. Like I said, that's just the way Metal prints their card, or Upper Deck here. They're trying to make it, I don't know, similar to the 90s, because in this day and age, you surely can print a near perfect card. So they've made it sort of like similar standards to back in the 90s, with damages, just the normal typical edges and chipping and so forth. So yeah, let's see what we get, if we get any hits from the second box. The first box wasn't great, but no autos, nothing. So let's see if this one's any better. We still got one more box. Once again, I mean, look, you're not going to get much value unless if you hit a Jordan, but it is fun nevertheless. It brings back a lot of the 90s, because a lot of the inserts does follow the 90s. So if you're into the 90s and don't want to pay over $1,000 per box for the old 90s box, well, this is a very cheap one to break into. So let's have a look. Z-Force. I like to pull a 1 of 1. I mean, that's always fun. Even if it's not a Jordan and it's just like a random player, pulling a 1 of 1 of any card is quite nice. No, nothing really. No. I do collect a set of these medals every year from 2021 all the way to 2024. Got them all in binders, because they're not really high value cards. Let me know how you guys store your Metal Universe cards. Is it in binders? Do you put it in top loaders? One touches? You get them graded. I don't know why would you grade these sets for, but typically my PMGs and numbered cards, I'll keep them in top loaders and not binders, but the rest of the sets are binders. So another Skybox premium card. So the best I've hit so far in Metal Universe is a green PMG. The 1 of 1 I got was purchased, so it wasn't a hit. So not that easy to get. Intimidation Nation, Sharapova. There's Wayne Gretzky in this set as well. Tiger Woods. Metal Universe. The case hits will be like jambalayas and so forth. I've got a cut above. Let's see who's the cut above of Caleb Williams. This one's slightly better. So Caleb Williams compared to the last one I hit, which had chipping from a pack. Z-Force, shiny. Surprised, there's absolutely no numbered cards yet. It's 7 cards per pack. As you can see, it says 1 of 1 purple PMG. So the PMGs 1 of 1 are purple. That's what I'm trying to see if, at the start, if there's anything purple that shines out, but no, nothing. Purple or green, or orange, I guess. Orange is the 25 PMGs. Let's look. Another insert, 2,500 degrees. Diogo Jota. I got a Jordan metal shredders. No numbered cards. We've got 5 packs left, so 7 cards per pack, 35 cards. No numbered cards. Usually you get 2 numbered cards per hobby box, I reckon. Nothing. Nothing. Allen Iverson, Z-Force. Well, last 4. Lucky last. No autos, no numbered. This is weird. I see a red. So definitely you see a red, as you can see. It's probably a metal shredders or something, or fresh foundation. Probably fresh foundations by the look of it. Let's see who it is. Oh, it's a Metal Universe. Francisco Trincal. And it should be out of 100. There we go. So here's out of 100, 18. PMG. Out of the PMGs, I do like this Metal Universe style type PMG the best. It's the closest to the 90s type version. Here we go. The first numbered card, not a great one. It's probably a couple of dollars, maybe $2, maybe $3. It's worth a lot. Let's see if we can get 2 PMGs in a row. No. Okay, well, this is very strange. Last 2 packs, only 1 numbered card, so no autos. This is very, very strange. Just wondering if people actually run these through the X-ray machines to see. Nothing again, so looking for the future. It's another. Wow, okay, this is pretty crazy. I've never experienced a hobby box with only 1 numbered card. This is the first. Okay. No. Oh, okay. We've got a rubies here. I can see the shine. That's a second. That is. Let's see who it is. Jeremy. Oh, okay. Jeremy Sochin. So there's a rubies auto. These rubies autos are not numbered, but certainly is a rubies and it's an auto. sticker auto. But just to recap, these are the hits for the set, for this box. The auto, the PMG out of 100, some of the other insets we've got, 2500 degrees, Z-Force, looking for the future Caleb Williams, cut above Caleb Williams, Maria Sharapova, Intimidation Nation, another Z-Force, Jabari Smith, and just normal Skybox Premium. That's it for this box. Thank you for watching.